Hi everyone, today I'm going to be doing the beaded pens from the beads I got from Beebeecraft, and remember there's 10% off your order at the code that I list in the description and the title too. So I want to show you I want to show you with the beads. These also came with it. So you got a few like this. It was in the bottom of the box and I didn't realize it. So let me just quickly show you what else came with these beads. And a lot of people like to use these little dangles for their pens, beaded pens, but I'm going to use them on the strings of my journals. So we have this. Look how beautiful that one is. That's beautiful. We have a pumpkin. We have a squirrel. We have another beautiful leaf. And we have another pumpkin. And we have corn. Okay, so that also comes with this bead pack. So you're going to get all these beads, you're going to get these, and you're going to get these little charms. So I just wanted to show you that because I didn't realize it in the last video. I was throwing the box out and I said, this has weight to it. And I looked inside and I said, oh, because I forgot they came with all these extras. So it's a good thing I checked it. And I'll show you the beaded pens I made already. These are great for my fall time because I didn't have any for fall. I had Halloween ones. I have beaded Halloween pens, but nothing for like just fall. So these are the ones that I made. So you got the orange AB here, and then you got the orange crackle, and then that little orange one just at the top. So that's the first one, and then I use 10 spacer beads. I usually get them in AB. They come in all colors. I usually just do the AB because it matches with everything, I think. And then I did one in this color, a lighter orange, and we got just the regular bead of orange here. And then we got this AB orange kind of see-through bead. This one's not a crackle. And then you got the little bead on top. It always goes good with these because you can always put 2 big ones and then a smaller one. 3 won't fit. If you don't put the spacers in, they may fit, but I like a little bit of sparkle there. So that's that one. And then I was going to make one on camera, and I think I'll use this darker one, this darker orange. So, oh, and if you make a pen and you keep twisting it, it's going around and around and around. It's not stripped. People think they're stripped, they're not. You just have to get a bead that's going to fit and make it go tight. So don't give up. Don't throw them away and say, oh, this is stripped, it's ruined. No, it's not ruined. It's just the type of bead. It needs to be so much up to the tip here that the screw fits on good. So you just got to play around with it and see what you can do. So hopefully this works. We'll see. So for this one, I think I'll use one of these from the pack. And I got to pick another one. So let's see here. I do like these crackle. I mean, crackle are my favorite kind. Glass crackle, acrylic crackle, doesn't matter. Crackle beads are my absolute favorite. So let's put that one on. Oh, I gotta put my spacer. I gotta put my spacer on. And you gotta make sure it works out. It might not. I might put this together and it might, not tighten. So that we gotta watch out for. And again, let's try this little trusty one. I believe it's 15 mm. Yeah. If I had to guess, yeah, because I use 12 for my chunky charms. You know what? Let's see if we can tell. Let me get one just to compare. Hold on one second. All right, so these are my chunky charms. I usually use them for purse charms. A couple of them are in my shop, but I haven't been making many. I have a lot still for sale, but I haven't really been making any, and they're a lot of work. So this is an example of a 12 millimeter. So yeah, I would say that's about 15, if I had to guess. That's what I think. Yep. Okay, so let's put that one on. And let's just hope that this goes on well. And it did. Yep, it did. It's fine. Let's check this one. That's good. That's good. All right. So, there's the beaded pens for fall. So now I'm all set for fall. This looks yellow. It's not. This is a light orange. It's really not yellow. It's funny how it's coming across as yellow, but it's not. That's an orange. All right, so those are my beaded pens. Code for 10% off is in the description, in the title too, I think, or one or the other. It'll be there. And all my links are down below if you're interested in making some fall beaded pens. I know I needed to make some. And don't forget that they come with the little charms. Again, I'm going to use these on my little journal strings when I make journals. My fall journals, these will be perfect for that. But you can always hang one off your pens. I just don't do that for myself, but you can pretty them up any way you want. So thanks for watching. Happy crafting. Look at this. That's the color it is. It's a little darker than that. Isn't it funny how the light is making it look so different? That's crazy. That's just crazy. All right. So thanks for watching Happy Crafting, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.